Good morning all of you. Welcome back in bio session. Today discuss about study of hormones of thyroid gland. In last period I have given the idea of thyroid gland, its location, position, also structure, external and internal structure. मैंने आपको बताया था कि डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है, वैसे की वैसी डायग्राम पूछते हैं एग्जामिनेशन में, इसीलिए आपको मेक अ प्रैक्टिस all diagrams. Morphological structure of thyroid gland plus internal structure of thyroid gland or TS of thyroid gland. What I say, location, it is located in neck region, either side of trachea, just below the larynx. It is a bilobed gland, S-shaped gland, both are connected with each other by a strand of connective tissue called as the isthmus, right? It is a butterfly shape. Largest gland, मैंने आपको ये भी बताया था कि one of the gland can store the hormone secretion, no doubt, but itself store the hormone in colloid. You know very well that prepare the thyroxine with the help of amino acid tyrosine and iodine molecules, monoiodothyronine, diiodo, then triiodo, tetraiodo. These depend on iodine molecules. T3 triiodothyronine, tetraiodo, there are 4 iodine molecules and that will be stored into the colloid as a thyroglobulin. Whenever there is need, it converts into the T3 and T4. T3 less in quantity but more physiological active than that of T4. I have given the idea in detail. We have also seen the internal structure of thyroid gland. Thyroid gland internally consists of number of follicles. I am going very short. Follicles are there lined by the cuboidal epithelium. These are the glandular epithelium. They secrete thyroxine. In between follicle there is presence of calcium parafollicular cells or C cells that secrete a hormone calcitonin. Means 2 hormones secreted by thyroid gland, which are thyroxine plus calcitonin, thyrocalcitonin. Now see today functions of thyroxine. Function of thyroxine. Now very important hormone. It related to both physical and mental growth also. Now see here. I want to give the idea. It regulates the BMR. What is BMR? Basal metabolic rate. By increasing the glucose oxidation, it produces the energy inside the body. Hence thyroxine can control the BMR, basal metabolic rate. It controls the protein synthesis. It is one of the most important process in the body. Protein synthesis. It helps with thermoregulation. What is meant by thermoregulation? Body temperature. By increasing the heat production. By increasing heat production, it helps to maintain the body temperature. That you may call as a thermoregulation. It is also one of the most important function of thyroxine. RBC production. What is RBC? Red blood corpuscles. Red blood corpuscle, where they are produced in red bone marrow. Under influence of hormone erythropoietin plus thyroxine, it helps in RBC production. You know RBC is very important cell that carry the oxygen and CO2 from respiratory organ to cell and cell to respiratory organ. Means this RBC under the influence of thyroxine. It also maintains water and electrolyte balance. It helps to maintain the water and electrolyte balance. It increases the neurotransmitter, adrenaline and non-adrenaline. These are the neurotransmitter. That will be increase the action of this neurotransmitter, adrenaline and non-adrenaline. One of the important thing, it control the physical and mental growth. शरीराची वाढ, हमारे bones की growth, muscles की growth, जिसे हम physical growth बोलते हैं. That under control of thyroxine. Physical growth plus mental growth, development of mentality, mental development related to brain, spinal cord, all parts of nervous system under the influence of thyroxine. Hence you call it control the physical and mental growth. You remember please. Then development of gonads. It is also one of the important function performed by the thyroxine. Gonad means reproductive organ. Gonad means reproductive organ. You know very well. Which are reproductive organ? Testis and ovary. If testis is developed, then testis in male, if developed, that secrete hormone testosterone, that responsible for development of secondary sexual character in male. मैंने लास्ट पीरियड में बताया था आपको secondary sexual character, development of axillary hairs, pubic hairs, mustache, development of genital organ, that is a secondary sex organ under influence of which hormone? Thyroxine. Means indirectly there is a role in development of secondary sexual character. It regulates the development of gonads in male, that is testis. In female there is a ovary, that is a female reproductive organ. This female reproductive organ responsible for production of egg, secretion of estrogen, progesterone, relaxin. These hormone estrogen responsible for development of secondary sexual character in female. Hence there is a direct relation with development of gonad and development of secondary sexual character in female and male. So you remember please, it control the development of gonads, control the secondary sexual character. It also control body weight. हमारा जो body weight होता है that under control of thyroxine. किसी किसी को obesity का प्रॉब्लम होता है ड्यू टू दी थायरॉक्सिन, ओबेसिटी म्हणजे लठ्ठपणा आहे तो. ब्लड प्रेशर, इट रेगुलेट द कार्डियक आउटपुट. मैंने आपको सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम में पढ़ाया था व्हाट इज कार्डियक आउटपुट, हाउ टू कैलकुलेट कार्डियक स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम इनटू नंबर ऑफ बीट्स पर मिनट, देन यू कैन इजीली कैलकुलेट द कार्डियक आउटपुट. बॉडी टेम्परेचर मैंने बताया आपको, thermoregulation, it control the respiratory rate, it also control the digestion. These are the important functions are performed by thyroxine secreted by इस पर से आपको ध्यान में आया होगा what are the importance of thyroid gland in the body of male and female. Again simply, it regulate the BMR, it control the protein synthesis, it help in thermoregulation, RBC production, maintain the water and electrolyte, increasing action of neurotransmitter like adrenaline, non-adrenaline. It control the physical and mental growth of human body. It development of gonads, development of secondary sexual character in both sexes. It control the body weight, it control the blood pressure, it control the cardiac output, it control the body temperature, it control the respiration rate, as well as it control the digestion. These are the functions, orders. But what are the disorders? Suppose they are increasing the thyroxine, that condition called as hyperthyroidism. It increase the BMR, basal metabolic rate. It increase the sensitivity. It increase the sweating, flushing, rapid respiration, bulging of eyeball, deposition of fat behind the eyeball in the eye socket. That is called as the bulging eyeball. You know, डोळे बाहेर आलेले दिसतात काही लोकांचे ड्यू टू दी deposition of fat behind the eyeball in the eye socket. Their disorder in adult as well as in child. Hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. In adult there is a hyperthyroidism, supposed to be increasing the size of thyroid gland. Two way there are hyperthyroidism. You know very well, development and secretion of thyroid gland under influence of which hormone? थायराइड स्टिमुलेटिंग हार्मोन. यदि TSH का प्रमाण ज्यादा होता है तो देयर इज ओवर ग्रोथ ऑफ थायराइड ग्लैंड. दैट कंडीशन कॉल्ड एज अ हाइपरथायराइडिज्म. व्हाट इज कॉल्ड? हाइपरथायराइडिज्म, और इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ एक्सोथैलेमिक गॉइटर, और इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ ग्रेव डिसीज. इट इज हाइपरथायराइडिज्म, ग्रेव डिसीज इन अडल्ट. आई हैव बीन टोल्ड यू what are the functions of thyroxine. It control RBC production, it control the protein synthesis, it control the physical growth, it control the mental growth. Means these are the functions are performed by the, it control the cardiac output, it control the blood pressure, it control the respiratory rate. Suppose in adult, if there is a disease, that is exothalamic goiter or enlargement of thyroid gland, then protruding eyeball, first of all, increasing the breathing rate, increasing the respiratory rate, increasing the BMR, in which in hyperthyroidism, it excess of thyroxine, there may be chances decreasing the body weight. Body weight will be reduced, increasing the heart rate, increasing the blood pressure. There may be higher body temperature, nervousness, irritability, tremor of fingers. That is Parkinson, जैसे हातामध्ये हालचाल होणे, बोटामध्ये बोट वाइब्रेट होने. These are the symptoms: bulging of eyeball and muscular weakness, as well as restlessness, nervousness. These are also symptoms of hyperthyroidism in adult. What I say, if there is a increase in the thyroxine in adult, which are the symptoms are found? This condition called as a exothalamic goiter, or it is called as a Grave disease. What it called? Grave disease. In hyperthyroidism, protruding eyeballs means deposition of behind the eye, that will be called as a bulging eyeballs. Increasing a BMR, basal metabolic rate, that regulated by thyroxine, in which you remember in hyperthyroidism, if thyroxine excess, body weight will be decreases. Body weight decreases, increasing the heart rate, increasing the breathing rate, increasing the blood pressure, higher body temperature, nervousness, irritability. Then tremor of fingers, bulging eyeball, and muscular weakness, as well as restlessness, nervousness. These are also symptoms of hyperthyroidism. That condition called as a exothalamic goiter. It is occur in the adult. It is occur in the adult. Now, if low secretion of thyroxine, that condition called as a hypothyroidism. What is called? Hypothyroidism. Means here, if there is a, you know very well, it controls the physical and mental growth. In childhood, suppose there is a low secretion of thyroxine. Low secretion of thyroxine, this is called as the hypothyroidism, or this disease is called as a cretinism in child. So, what happened here also? It controls the BMR, reducing the basal metabolic rate, reduces the rate of protein synthesis, retardation of physical and mental growth, then mentally retarded. This shows the dry skin, means skin not sweaty, that is a dry skin. Tongue become protruding, that is a thick tongue. Then lethargy, constipation. Creatinine shows stunted the physical growth, delayed puberty. When in childhood, suppose there is low secretion of thyroxine, there may be physical and mental growth are retarded, there is no development of gonad, naturally there delayed the puberty. What is puberty? That is beginning of maturity. Means development of secondary sexual character in male and female are retarded, and that person sexually become immature. Means no proper development of secondary sexual character. If there is no proper development of gonad, means naturally there is no development of secondary sexual character in both male and female, that a baby becomes sexually immature. This is the effect, this is the impact of thyroxine. In adult, suppose there is a low secretion of thyroxine, that condition called as a myxedema. What is called? Myxedema means in which first of all you have to see the puffiness of the skin, means deposition of fat behind the skin, particular on the face and hands. There is puffiness to the skin, lack of alertness, lack of intelligence, slow heart rate, slow breathing rate, slow cardiac output, decreasing of blood pressure, always feeling cold, low body temperature, retarded the sexual development. You may call it as a, means sterility will be there because of there is no proper development of secondary sexual character plus gonads. Hence that person becomes sexually immature. Sterility will be there due to the low secretion in adult. That condition called as a myxedema. In childhood, what is called? Cretinism. But here body weight will be increasing in low secretion of thyroxine. That you have to remember. What I say, if increasing the thyroxine, that is called exothalamic goiter. In adult, that disease called as a exothalamic goiter. What is called? Grave disease. Low secretion in childhood, what is there? Cretinism. Symptoms are same. Symptoms are same because of in adult and in child, but name of disorder is a cretinism in child, and in adult that is called as the myxedema. आपको ध्यान में रखना है, slow down the BMR, slow down the physical growth, mental growth, as well as no development of gonads, low heart rate, low breathing rate, low cardiac output, and naturally there may be this condition called as a cretinism and myxedema in child and adult. कितनी मिनट झाले?
झाले 15 मिनिट.
बंद कर.
रेड वाली बटन.
लाल 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 लाल.
ही वाली टिंब ना.
तो नरसिंह कुठे गेलो?
माहिती नाही. सर भेटू सर.
हो.